In this video, we will be talking about the chain rule. The chain rule is the derivative with respect to x of the composite function f of g of x is equal to the derivative of f g of x times the derivative of g of x. This we can call the outside-inside rule. If we think of f as our outside function and g as our inside function, then the derivative of this composite function is equal to the derivative of the outside function multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. Another way to express the chain rule is if we let y equal f of u and u equal g of x, then dy dx is equal to dy du times du dx. Notice that these two are in positions where they could cancel if they were factors. This method is called u-substitution. So let's find dy dx, given that y is equal to the quantity x squared plus 1 quantity cubed. First, let's use the outside-inside rule. So for this one, the outside will be some quantity cubed. The inside will be x squared plus 1. So using this outside-inside rule, we want to find the derivative of the outside function and then multiply it by the derivative of the inside function. So dy dx is equal to the derivative of anything to the third power will be 3 times that thing to the second power. And that thing inside the parentheses is our x squared plus 1. Then times that factor by the derivative of the inside, which is 2x. So simplifying this a little bit, we get dy dx is equal to, we can multiply these two factors, so 6x multiplied by x squared plus 1 quantity squared. Now let's do that same derivative, but with u substitution. So we will let u equal x squared plus 1. The derivative of u with respect to x is 2x. Now our function is y equals, and then we want to put in u in place of x squared plus 1. So y is equal to u cubed. Now the derivative of y, dy, with respect to u this time, is 3u to the second power. So our chain rule says that dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. Well, dy du is 3u squared, and du dx is 2x. Now we still need to sub back in the expression for u, which was x squared plus 1. So this is 3 times x squared plus 1 quantity squared times 2x. Now we're back where we were at this point when we did the inside-outside rule. So multiplying the two constant factors together, we get dy dx is equal to 6x times the quantity x squared plus 1, quantity squared.